Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of conics. And in conics, if I talk about the concept which is used in the question, the concept of tangent to parabola and circle is used in this question. So we are using the ideas of parabolas and circles here. Now let's see the question what is talking about. The question tells us that a tangent line L is drawn at the point 2 comma minus 4 on the parabola y square equal to x. So a tangent line L is drawn at this point on the parabola, and it's also given that this line L is also tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a. So we need to figure out the value of a in this question. And if I talk about the options that are given to us as the values of a, they are -2, minus root 2, root 2, and the last option given to us is 2. So we need to figure out which one of the options will be the correct answer for the question given to us. Let's solve that. So if I compare my parabola y square equal to 8x with my general form of the parabola y square equal to 4ax, I get from this idea that 4a is equal to 8, and from that I get the understanding a is 8 upon 4, which is 2. So I get the value of a as 2 here. Now once I get the value of a as 2 for this parabola, I know the equation of the tangent to the parabola. It is given as y equal to mx plus a by m. So if I put the value of a here, I get that as 2. So I have y equal to mx plus 2 by m as my equation of the tangent. Now we have been also told that this tangent line L is drawn at the point 2 comma minus 4. So this point 2 comma minus 4 will also satisfy the equation of tangent. So if I put x as 2 and y as minus 4, I get the equation turned out in terms of m only. So if I solve this further, I get minus 4 is 2m plus 2 by m. 2 taken common, I have m plus 1 by m. It is equal to minus 4. If I solve this further, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that gives you m plus 1 by m is minus 2. If I solve this further, this becomes your quadratic equation m square plus 1 equal to minus 2m. That gives you m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. If I solve this quadratic equation further, it turns to a perfect square as m plus 1 equal to 0. That gives you values of m as minus 1 minus 2. So I get the slope for the line of the tangent, that is minus 1. So if I put that in the equation of tangent, I get my equation of line turning out y equal to minus 1x plus 2 upon minus 1. That is y equal to minus x minus 2. If I take it on the other side, I get x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. That is your equation of tangent, which is drawn to the parabola at the point comma. Now they have also told us that this tangent line L, which is the equation of tangent for this, it is also the tangent of the circle that is given by x square plus y square is equal to a. So if I compare this equation with our original form, x square plus y square equal to a square, I know that the circle has its center at the origin. Center lies at 0 comma 0, and the radius here, if I see, which is, if I compare it with general form, let's say r square, I get the radius as r square equal to a. So r radius becomes root a. So this is your radius a. Now they have also told us that the line L which is there of the equation x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, that line is tangent to the circle. If I draw tangent, this is your tangent line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. We already know one idea that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So if I use the idea of condition of perpendicularity, so condition of perpendicularity, if I use it, it says mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. It is equal to your radius r, because that is nothing but your distance from the origin to the tangent. So this is your radius r. So if I use this idea of condition of tangency, I can just put that ax1. So this is your equation of line. If I compare it with the general form ax plus by plus c equal to c, this is your x1, this is your y1, that is your coordinates of origin. So your expression turns out to become a is 1, because if I compare it with general form, a becomes 1, b becomes 1, c becomes 2. So you get 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 upon root of a square plus b square, which is 1 square plus 1 square. It is equal to r in this case is root a. So if I solve this further, I get mod of 0 plus 0 plus 2, that is 2, upon root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. It is equal to root of a, which is your radius. So you get root 2 is equal to root a. Squaring both the sides, I get the value of a as 2. So if I see the option that matches here with the question, a becomes root 2. Sorry, the value of a becomes 2. And if I talk about the option that matches here with the question, it is option D. So D becomes the correct answer for the question given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of drawing tangents to the parabolas and circles. So I just use the idea here that if I compared it with 4y squared equal to 4ax, I got the value of a. I used the condition of tangency to the parabola. Putting the value of a and x and y, I got an equation in terms of m. Solving that condition for m, I got the value of m as -1. I put that -1 in my condition of tangency to the parabola and got an equation of line here, which is the tangent to the parabola. That line also is a tangent to your circle. So I use the idea of condition of perpendicularity that gave me condition of perpendicularity equated with the radius, because radius in a circle is perpendicular to the tangent. So I used that idea and got the value of a as 2, which matches with option. So D becomes the correct answer for the question given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our questions on JEE mains as well as 11th and 12th. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE. So they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.